Hey you guys, and welcome back to Have Big Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, y'all, this is where you're gonna get the good tea, the bad tea, everything in between on everything hair related. So I decided to take a little bit of a break from YouTube just so I could work on consistently making my own units. And today I decided to come to you guys to just show you how I made my first 5x5 closure wig. Now the hair that I'm using is new and it's from Outre. This is from their premium purple pack Brazilian boutique. It's 100% human hair premium blend. Now in this pack you're gonna get 18-inch bundle, a 20-inch bundle, a 22-inch bundle, and you're also gonna get a 4-inch deep lace closure, which I really wasn't a fan of. The style of this hair is virgin loose deep and the color is natural black. Now I did also buy an individual bundle of 24 inches because I planned on taking that 18-inch bundle and ventilating that 5x5 closure by hand. So to prep that closure, what I did is I drew this horizontal line that's an inch above the base, and I also drew these two diagonal lines. These are going to be the lines that I follow to kind of start that back of the closure, if that makes sense. As you guys can see, I did start the process already. I'm going in a diagonal direction and I'm spacing the hair one hole apart, and I'm using 2 to 3 strands of hair per hole. This is just going to be for the back area, just so that I can get as much coverage as possible while also keeping the hair as full as possible. So now I'm just going to show you guys some close-ups of just my whole ventilating process. And I did decide not to necessarily keep every clip in and bore you guys to death. I don't know if that's what you're interested in. If you're not, if you are, definitely let me know and I will make a video on my whole ventilation process. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys an overview of how I got this look in general. So you'll kind of see, not necessarily a time lapse, but you'll see just the clips jump in to show the progress, just so you guys are not sitting forever, because y'all, this process it's a lot. It's definitely this process is definitely time consuming, but I really like it. I find it really relaxing. Y'all, I done watched so many different series while I was sitting here ventilating this hair. It definitely takes patience, which apparently I have a lot of. I don't really have a method to my madness. As you can see, what I'm pretty much trying to do is match one side to the other. So I kind of just went in and did section by section, make sure I'm matching the left side of the hair to the right side of the hair. So this is just over time, me showing you clips of my progression. So as you can see, I'm getting closer and closer to being done. I still have this whole middle section to go and still the front section to go. I've already created my center part and started ventilating that just to keep it individualized and separated all throughout. Now I'm just working on the bulk of the middle part because I do have the back done, the front done, and at this point right here, I do have pretty much everything done except for the hairline, because of course I saved that for last. And at this point right here, y'all, I finally finished. I was so thrilled to finally be done. Like I said, I liked the whole process and everything, but like at some point I was just like, I want it to be done. So I got the little widow's peak situation going on there for the hairline, which I really did like, y'all. I'm so thrilled this is done. So after I finished with that, I just sewed it on to my mesh wig cap. And y'all, I sewed that by hand. Like, look at them neat stitches. The stitches are super neat. And I did also use this white fabric marker to make my guidelines. My guidelines are an inch apart all throughout the mesh wig cap, except for the top 3 layers. Those are all half an inch apart. Sewed it on the machine, didn't show you guys that. But here's the finished look, y'all. 24 inches. And my favorite is just putting everything together when it becomes like just this one whole glorious, wonderful unit. Now I did also put 2 combs in the front on this unit, 1 comb in the back, and I did go in with an elastic band. Girl, it works, like yes. And that was pretty much it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want more details, if you want to know more about ventilation, more about my process, anything like that, just make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're feeling it, you're not feeling it. So until next time, bye guys.